Hey everyone, my name is Ro, and today I'm going to be giving you an honest and unbiased review about the Stroller fan so you can make a more informed decision on if you want to buy this product or not. So I have loved this Stroller fan. This has been so helpful, so useful, because especially in the warmer weather right now, you're worried about your baby overheating, and this has been a great way just to attach to the stroller to make sure that they are getting some airflow. I have actually used it for stroller rides. I've used it for myself when I'm breastfeeding. I've attached it to the car handle if I'm breastfeeding in the car. It's been super nice. I've actually attached it to my dog's crate, so as we're traveling, she also has airflow. So it's not just a stroller fan. It actually has a lot of uses, and it's been so great. It's been a great product, but I just wanted to give you some of my favorite things that I love about it. The main thing that I can think of is the battery life. The battery life is so good. It lasts so long. We travel all the time, so it's nice for those long car rides. I just want to make sure that she is getting those or getting that airflow, and I don't even worry about it. If I have this on her, I'm not even worried about it. And it has a fast charging time as well. It does have 3 different speeds, and it's just right here on the back. The charging port is back here on the back as well, but it's just one singular button, which makes it easy. And you just, depending on whatever speed you want it to be, very, very nice. And this is on the highest speed. As you can see, it is a very strong fan. So I love that there are 3 different levels, because you don't always need that highest level. But one of the other things that I actually really love about it, so right here where it connects to the legs, there are 2 little buttons. I'm trying to get it so you can see. There's 2 little buttons, one on the top, one on the bottom. And you actually just press that and that comes right apart. So if you want, you can just charge it, just the fan, or there have been times where, we've been on a walk and I just put it in my hand and I just have it blowing on me or on my baby. It's been so nice. I've used it for so many things. I don't even use it mostly for the stroller fan. I use it for a lot of different things, but it is so nice. The other thing that I really love about it is the legs that it has. So these legs, they bend in all sorts of directions. They are super awesome, and they have a great to grip strength. I love that it's kind of a rubbery material, so when you're putting it against your stationary object, it's not going to move, it's going to stay in place. I also love that this fan does rotate all the way back and forth, so you can, depending on whatever angle you need it to be at, you've got that covered. So this has been awesome product. If you're looking for something that is going to keep your baby cool, keep you cool, and that is easy, has a great battery life, easy to pack up, travel with, I would highly recommend this one. It's a 10 out of 10 product.